Things in Valencia are incredibly thrilling. Valencia is here. On the coveted Mediterranean coast, Valencia is home to 20 kilometers of beach and lucky to have sunshine year-round with an average annual temperature of 19 degrees. It is the third largest city in Spain, with an airport conveniently close to the city centre, which connects it to many destinations. And that's without mentioning its port, high-speed train, and its wide range of hotels. It has tradition and modernity. And it already has 3 UNESCO World Heritage tourist attractions. Valencia gets around on wheels. It gets around in a different way by being sustainable, breathing fresh air, and walking on green ground. In Valencia, tastes are cultivated between stars and locally sourced products that go everywhere. Valencia is inclusive and accessible. Valencia is a place to feel completely free. Because only here can you find the best mix to bring out the best in yourself.
The more you love, the more you live.